What's up guys, we are back with another video. In today's video we're going to be driving all the way to Richmond, Virginia, Richmond Raceway. We were just there for Nitro Cross a few videos back, but we're going back there today for clean culture, and we're going to be bringing the queue, and we actually got elite parking for this show. This should be a crazy event. We got about a 4-hour drive. Hope you guys enjoy this video. We got more content coming for the G very soon. As soon as we get back from Richmond, we're going to be working on the G next week. Alright guys, we are on the way to Virginia right now. There's a Viper on the trailer. Bro, it's crazy we just see him on the highway. Who'd have thought we'd see another Q50 on the way up here? They look crazy with the purple lights. Bro, my headlight acting dumb. We about to build a set of headlights though, so it's alright. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how you do it without the bags. That shit looks like shit. Bro, my shit's hella dirty.
I seen that you got the trunk, because that first one had a...
Yeah, that's probably the newest thing I just got, and the carbon skyline trim too.
I ain't never seen this one before.
Yeah, I had just wrapped his maybe like a couple months ago, a few months ago.
Okay.
I'm taking this thing everywhere till the wheels fall off. Look at that color change. Lord. That's the red tint I was talking about. I would put on my windshield. I think that's the veil side kit. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's probably paint. Veil side kit. Yeah, I didn't even see the M4 right here. Ooh, with the forged carbons? See, I'm not really a fan of the forged carbon, but like with satin black, this shit fire. Look at that. Forged carbon everything. I'm trying to get a roll cage on mine. I need to do that. Get the real aerodynamic spoiler. Damn, TTSV on tire.
What's the Hellcat killer right here?
You got a skinny tire front. Supra, Z4, wagon. Sheesh, bro, got the chandelier in there. F80, good God, competition. Alright, what's up guys? We are about to head to Richmond Raceway. We're about to stop and get some food real quick. This should be a crazy show, but you guys see the queue right here. Man, if you live in Richmond, man, the streets out here are rough. Let's see what it's talking about. Alright guys, we just got a couple of snacks real quick. A couple drinks. Now we're about to head over there.
popping. You know the vibe.
Yeah, the drifting going on over there. Man, this is about to be a crazy event. Man, you guys know Clean Culture always do it big. Got a long line all the way around the corner. Dang, you got a green Cybertruck right there. Should be pretty crazy. Waiting up for our boy to pull up. Some wheels on that one. That look crazy. Couple cars right here in the front. G color, bro. Miss it. He need to let me mold it to his car. He better go crazy on the track. That thing sounds like a demon. Yeah, they cutting. Life is looking crazy. Why, buddy? Unless you know Clean Cultures always look crazy. Honda look good. Sheesh, 3. So we see bro at every show. Man, make sure y'all get your cars wrapped by Red. I ain't gonna lie, the pink with the forged carbon. Sheesh, bro, this BMW paint right here is crazy. Extra sets of wheels. I don't really like forged carbon, but it don't look bad. It don't look bad though. Yeah, the 326 power wing on the back. Yeah, that's the one I got for my Z. That 340 though. M340.
I don't know anybody.
Back of this joint is so aggressive. Yeah, the DE. The chrome with the chrome Brembos. And that hood too. It's paint. Yeah. Yeah, the IPL, but it's a drop top. Everybody taking pictures. We did walk around a bit and catch a couple of the other cars here. Got the lamb chops out. See, the forged carbon don't look bad with the satin black. You can tell. That's how my carbon look. He ain't even got that much carbon for real. Damn, look at the diffuser, bro. That whole thing carbon. Side skirt. Oh, I gotta see the front. Oh, he got scared. The boy was definitely scared. Carbon with the satin black. It's gonna be me soon. That's what the Z-Ray look like. Damn, carbon fenders in the front. Oh, he hitting that ball. Hitting it. Sheesh. Crazy meat so far. The Q looking sitting crazy. But the G, the Z, and the Q, I basically got all three of these cars right here. Like imagine my. Bro, this is like, if I get the G with the wide body, bring it here, and I got the Z like this, really all the Z need is a wrap and a hood. That's basically my setup right here. So the G, imagine the G with the wide body though right here. And then the Q part of the show, with the Rain's Garage booth. Man, that would be crazy. Bro, imagine I pulled up to the meet like this. With the G wide body. Coming soon. Got me thinking about the Z now. What should I do to the Z? They still going. Show. Lighting look crazy. It's busting everywhere. Monster truck out. That's just tight too. Alright, Eddie. Crazy. That's the way right the S2000. I can't. Oh no.
We do our top 25 trophies, so we got our top 25s and our best elegance. We got Fidel, Hernandez.
Alright guys, it was a crazy show with Clean Culture. We had one top 25. I know that's right. This was a crazy show, crazy event. You guys been to any Clean Culture shows, y'all already know how it is. Turnout was amazing. Now we're headed back. We got a 4-hour drive back home. We're gonna be back out with Clean Culture next weekend, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. It should come out after the wide body video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. A lot more content coming. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. I will catch you guys next time.